What's up, Trade Gang team? How y'all feeling? What's going on out there? Good morning, afternoon, and evening, depending on where you are in the world. What's going on, man? Real quick, I hopped in here to show you the SPX 500 trade and to talk to you about trading, of course. What's today's topic? Today's topic is going to be when you're winning trades, never get too cocky. What do I mean by that? Simple. I'm going to explain it. Let me mute the system before it starts talking to y'all. When you are winning trades and you see people winning trades, please understand that I lose trades, everybody loses trades. When you get to this point where you're winning trades, right, you don't want to get to a point where you start thinking that you can't lose. Because when you get too confident with the trading, right, what will happen is you will come across that one trade that the market decided it was going to do what it wanted, and it's not going to respect your setup. And when you lose that trade, you're probably going to feel, hey, I knew what I was doing. Why did I lose the trade? You're going to take more trades and you're going to lose. It's going to happen. Everybody has losing streaks. I have them. I lost a bunch of trades this day that I'm talking to you. Now, of course, if your risk management is right, you train yourself to properly take trades, you'll be fine. You'll be fine when it happens. But psychologically, you will be wrecked. And that is what I'm here to tell you about. Be careful when you take those trades and you lose, because if you start getting too confident and you take trades and lose, you'll feel the loss way more than had you just been humble. So try to be humble when you lose trades, because when you're winning, be grateful, be humble, and understand that that's temporary, because you're going to lose. But also understand when you lose, that is temporary as well. So please keep in mind, do not get cocky. Sometimes I find myself in a trade and I'm excited and I'm recording, and before I hit upload to put it on the internet, I look at my attitude and how I'm talking and how I'm acting. Pardon me. And depending on how I'm acting in that video, I won't upload it, because I check my attitude. I check my humility. I check to make sure I'm being humble. I'm like, hold on, I'm way too cocky in this video. I'm not even posting that. I'm not going to cap and pretend like it's all good, because it's not. Matter of fact, I'm going to post when I lose trades too. I'm going to start posting losing trades, just so you people can understand that, yo, everybody wins and loses. Nobody's perfect in this market. If they telling you they don't lose trades, they don't trade a lot. If they're winning trades, they probably trade one trade every week or something like that. If they're trading daily and they're not losing, you better run. You better run. So anyway, just try to keep yourself humble in a winning streak, because when you have that one bad trade, I've been there. I never quit trading, but I'm telling you guys, I've been there where it was times when I contemplated. I'm like, man, I'm going to go get me a security job. It's going to be okay making $9 an hour. I got to go back into the workforce. It's okay. It's okay. It's better than trading the stinking Forex. I've been there. I've been there. Let me tell you, I've been there. So, with that being said, when you are winning, there's a saying. When you are up, prepare for the worst. When you are down, prepare for the best. Because if you start getting cocky and big-headed in this market, it will humble you with lightning. And I mean, it'll bring you down. It'll make you contemplate your life. It can be life-altering defeats if you're too high up. So let me tell you, bring it down. When you're winning, bring it down, because you're gonna lose a trade. you're gonna lose a trade. You're gonna be tight. You're gonna be tight. So just know, the more you trade, the more susceptible you are to losses. Just know that losses are gonna happen. Just know that when it does, be careful with yourself. Watch yourself. Make sure that you know it's part of the game. Make sure your risk management is not blowing 5 to 10% and more of your account per trade. I've been there, man, risking 20% of my account on one trade and losing, and doing it 2 and 3 times in one day. I had a day I think I lost 60% of my accounts, and I said, "What the hell is wrong with me? Why am I trading like that?" Cocky. I thought my setup was it. The market was supposed to do it, and it just didn't do it. It didn't do it, and the market's going to do that. There's going to be days when your setup is not going to work because the market is not hearing that. Happened to me this morning. I lost a bunch of trades back to back. I lost about 7 trades this morning. Back to back, too, man. I took the same trade on the same currency pair, and I took it on multiple pairs that you know, where they correlate. And I stacked up 7 trades, and all 7 of them joints was like, huh? You thought we was going left and we going right? Come here, my man. And I'm here still recording this video to let you know it's going to happen. Be humble about it. You know, it's going to happen. It's not the end of the world unless you make it. So I just wanted to record this video. I don't need to make it too long. I just wanted to tell you guys, man, when you're in these winning trades like this and people show you these winning trades, we lose too. We lose big. I'm going to start showing you guys some losing trades just to humble y'all, just so y'all know. It's not perfect for people. But with risk management, it's nothing. You could still just brush it off. You could be like, 1%, so what? I got a whole nother 99 to play with. So I'm big on risk management trades, and I'm big on that system, and I'm gonna show people that in my course. If you do want to learn how I trade, I got a lot of different trading setups in there. I'm giving you guys the source in that course. I promise you I am. Go get it. It's in the link in the description, man. Go get it. You will learn a lot of secrets that I don't see on YouTube. I don't see people posting stuff that's in my course. Thank God. But yes, that's enough of the shameless plug. But yes, man, be humble and just try to keep yourself grounded at all times. When you flying high, 10 trade winning streak, 3 weeks winning, no losses, trading every day in the market, trading trap days, trading bad hours, trading off brand, and you're still hitting, get cocky and watch how fast that right trade gonna come and bring you down to earth. So guys, I just had to make this video to let you guys know, do not, I repeat, do not get too cocky in the market, or the market will cock you down. Okay? I'm out of here, guys. There's nothing more to say. So do remember, go to the website, tradegameofficial.com. It should be obvious, right? And sign up for mentorship. Sign up for some classes. Get the course. Grab some software. We're developing classes for the robots. For people that want to trade automatically. You want to trade automatedly. I'm making words at this point. If you pretty much want to trade in your sleep or have robots trade for you, I'm going to teach you that. I'm going to make a video talking about this because there's a lot of people in this community that are anti-indicators and EAs, and that's fine. A lot of them don't work right, and the reason that is because of where you get them from. And I'm going to make a video explaining all of that because there's people that are like, they're on Instagram and other social media platforms and they see the trades I'm taking. And they see that I got the robot running and they ask about it. I'm going to explain all of this because there's something I see that a lot of you guys in this community don't talk about. It's either you don't know it, don't believe it, or you don't talk about it. But when you are trading against the banks are using robots. They're using algorithms to trade against you. And that is why so many people lose. So I'm gonna make a video explaining this because people clearly must not realize these hedge funds that you're trading against, these big firms, these banks, they're using algorithms, automated trading software to trade against you. So don't sit up here and think it's a curse word and it's a bad word. But I'm gonna explain it in another video. If you guys want to sit up there and believe these people that tell you naked chart this and that and this and You know, they're out here trading. Just remember that's why you see the results like you see on the screen in front of you versus what you see them posting. That is why you see that difference. That is the reason. Okay? So with that being said, let me chill because I don't want to be sounding cocky. I just want to really bring you information because a lot of people don't realize when you're trading against robots. You think you're trading against people. The banks are using software. They're not actually sitting there in a computer in a cubicle looking at the screen, looking at what you're taking as a trade and stop hunting you. They're not. They're not doing that. A lot of people believe that. That's not what's going on. They're using software. How do I know? I would like to be able to tell you that, but I'm going to save that for another video. One day I will sit up here and tell you some stuff that you may find interesting. Just put it like that. But the bottom line is those big that big money that you see in the market, that is being ran through software. Okay? So you're trading against computers anyway. But that's a whole nother subject. A lot of people may want to think what they want to think. I happen to know because I have software here. We make software and I know what's going on. I would love to tell y'all more about that, but the bottom line is don't be so against indicators and EAs as you may think. You might be surprised if you found out what people were using to trade against you. Okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm out of here. This video don't need to be any longer than it already is. All right? Peace, guys. I'll see you on the other side of the market.